I don't know whether it's boredom or wanting to get it squared away, but there you can see some very temporary connections to a small 6-volt battery and the Electrex components that were all fastened on, but I have a personal distaste for bullet connectors, and I'm just preparing for a rationalisation of all the wiring that is on this 1959 BSA. Everything you see was a temporary fit, whilst I worked out the art of the possible, using actually part of the previous owner's attempt to put a new loom on, and I want to get rid of all these temporary connections and make some soldered joints and rationalise all of these wires that go 2 to 1, red to yellow. I don't think I've got any live wires that are either yellow or green. That may confuse me when I'm doing it, but yeah, I came out this evening for a bit of an assessment, so tomorrow afternoon after work I can take all this temporary wiring and tidy it up, because of course underneath the seat, the gap you can see between the oil tank and the thing, you can see all of this on all of these multicolours. And whilst the C15 BSA 250 is not an attractive bike, it certainly will not look pleasant seeing all of these wires exposed.